Oh, friggin' rights, boys. We got a dirty old wad of cash, $610 in a list of dicks. So we're gonna go next door and give it to dirty old Fred. So replace his window, and you know, cigarettes got stolen, all that bullshit too, but Santi's still got, and his open sign got smashed, all the rat shit. But Santi's still got his friggin' plywood window. I don't know if it focused there or not, but we'll have a look, see what he says. You want to son of a bitch occurred? Lunchtime? List of dips. That's everybody who donated. So you can get a window and some packs of secrets now.
Why don't you take half for putting the cameras up?
Don't be silly.
I'm not being silly.
I don't need half for putting the cameras up.
People donated that for you guys.
Well, but you guys put the cameras up, you guys.
Well, that was our donation to you guys.
No, you gotta take some of that.
People all over the world love you guys just as much as we do.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes.
I feel guilty.
Or even on camera?
It's got to be on camera.
Oh.
They'll never believe it happened if it wasn't on camera.
Well, I was just told I was very popular on YouTube.
Right on.
You're famous.
AJ was in.
Oh yeah? Was that the truck that was out here?
Mechanic with the compressor up on top of the advantage truck. Yeah.
Remember I said? Figured that was him. Right on.
Okay, how do I go about putting a thank you, or will you put one on our behalf?
You can just say thank you right here.
Well, thank you very much to everyone who donated to the window fund. We do appreciate it.
Hopefully we don't have to do it ever again.
Hopefully those cameras might help and
Deter future nonsense.
Yes.
In the spring we'll get better ones and we'll put more in and stuff, but that'll do for now. All we can do for now, really. Until Starpus comes back. Well, it's tomorrow's, and we had to go see Fred for some cigarettes and lotto tickets. And he wanted us to have this big old stack of papers. So check this out. This is the article. Helping an Inwood business after break-in. So you can kind of rant that if he needs to into the accordance. And then my favorite part's at the end here. That's my favorite part. But rights for that. Rights for that. So big thanks to Mike, John, Tim, Jock, Howard, Kevin, Randy, Brad, John, Kev, Randy, Michael, Vincent, Steve, Andrew, Cody, Brian, George, Paul, and Annette. And on page 2, Brian, Conley's Horse Photos, and Carl. Beg my pardon. Oh, and check out what Polyester's old lady said about us on Facebook. Beg my pardon. It's funny how some people think we're the best neighbors and others think their shit don't stink, but in other words, the window's fixed and the goof's in jail, and there's finally something worth reading in the papers about Pug 1, but so hopefully now a lot of the goofs around here will find their mouth clamping shut on them in accordance. I mean, we're all in Inwood, why not help your neighbor out if he needs a hand?